Udukhat kaying dorbar thau an ka jalla na Mawhati Constituency ba Charles Marngar. Ulara ika Jingkylli haki kenta kali Jingkylli jongka dorbar mang tengka haka arpo pra tarik ulaber hajar arpo lai. Dakaba penpauru ika jing sateng ban thungkam Nonghikai kaban nadu ki bat laisnem ki baladem. Kitei ki kam hikai ki kenthop ya baro ki kerdan puli nadu ki lower primary, upper primary, secondary, higher secondary. Dakaba kenthop ru ya ki Nonghikai naka scheme SSA. Ulaburu ika Jingkylli baga jing sateng thung Nonghikai haribhoi district kaba shakri shaki paitba balada ka sarkar kan shimkhya telano ka interview ya kate ka kam haki jaka puli kan long. Umintri katanat puli puthi urakam sangma ulayathu bahadu menta ki kam Nonghikai ki balait ki long 6,000 rius pa lai phokhandai Tylli. Hakabai dei baki jaka puli haribhoi district ulakno baga jingduna ka jingdon ki khna school kalong ka daw jong ka jing sateng baduba Charles Marngar ulakentu yuteu menteri ban penstent ban shimkhya ya kane baduteu menteri ula menjur.
We move on to the next question number 83. Sri Rakham Esama, Minister in charge, to reply please.
Speaker, sir, the reply to question number 83 is the status of the vacancies of SSA teacher. Lower primary 102, upper primary 292, secondary 26. Under SSA total is 420. B, sir, the status of vacancies of government teachers. Lower primary 1002, upper primary 41, secondary 125 and higher secondary 51. Total 1290.
Charles, your supplementary please.
Yes, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, we had a discussion yesterday also regarding this matter. But, sir, when we look at the answer replied by our Honorable Minister, it is a huge number of vacant posts. The total vacancies of SSA is 420. And the vacant posts of government teachers is 1,200. May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge, Education, for those vacancies of SSA and government teachers, the officiating teachers was appointed or not for the last 2-3 years?
Sir, with respect to government secondary and higher secondary, so there are a number of teachers already engaged on temporary basis. But sir, for LP school, government LP school, except the increase of division, so last 1 year, almost 2 years, we have not engaged in a temporary appointment. But sir, just to, as a temporary arrangement, because of all of complexity, till the proper recruitment process is completed, government has decided to send temporary teacher to all these 1,200 schools immediately, sir.
One more supplementary question, sir. As per my information, sir, this matter has been pending for the last 2-3 years. It's happened in my district, Riboi district also. So may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge of Education, when will the government of Meghalaya and the Education Department will conduct interview for the SSA teachers and also for the government teachers in our state.
Sir Speaker, so with regards to SSA, as the number of schools that has been detected having very low enrollment, so there are schools, there are 903 number of schools having enrollment less than 20 number. There are 45 number of lower primary school having single digit number of enrollment of students. And in the lower primary, and 62 upper primary schools having a single digit enrollment, and the number of schools having zero enrollment. So the process of rationalization is on, and so for with respect to the government LP school teachers vacancies, due to Honorable Court order for roster system implementation, so the process has been delayed, but department is on the job, and when the things will complete it, we will put up adjustment and proper recruitment will be happen immediately, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, we know that there are many schools which have less enrollment. But, sir, for those schools who have good enrollments, I suggest the government of the day, especially the Education Department, to speed up this matter at the earliest possible, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir, the matter will be examined, sir.